Hello everyone, this is Faisal Haroon with your weekly performance update for the week ending February 27th, 2026. This week our benchmark SPY posted a loss of 0.5%. Let's dive into our strategies to see how they fared. First, the disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All investments carry risk of loss. Performance numbers may be hypothetical or based on historical data. You must agree to the terms of service at the link shown on the screen. If you continue to watch, it will be assumed that you do. Let's start with ETF Blend 120. This strategy gained 0.55% for the week and delivered positive performance while the benchmark was down. Year to date, the strategy is down 2.96%. Over the past year, the strategy has returned 15.64%. The 10-year performance stands at an impressive 46%. Moving on to ETF Blend 101.15. The strategy posted a gain of 0.39% this week. Year to date, the strategy is up 4.75%. The 1-year return is 34.62%. Over 10 years, the strategy has delivered 26.21% compared to 15.39% for the benchmark. Next up is ETF Blend 102.25. This strategy had a solid week with a gain of 0.56%, beating the benchmark by over 1%. Year to date, the strategy shows a minor pullback of 1.69%. The 1-year performance is 15.68%. Looking at the 10-year window, the strategy has returned 58.89% versus 15.39% for SPY. Now let's look at ETF Blend 103.20. This is our free strategy available to all subscribers. The strategy gained 0.37% this week while the benchmark declined. Year to date, the strategy is up 5.17%. Over 1 year, the return is 31.02%. The 10-year performance stands at 23.11%, comfortably outperforming the benchmark. Turning to ETF Blend 235. The strategy posted a gain of 0.3% for the week. Year to date, the strategy shows a slight decline of 0.18%. The 1-year return is 27.85%. Over 10 years, the strategy has delivered 38.98% versus 15.39% for the benchmark. Shifting over to ETF Blend 340, this strategy gained 0.54% this week and outperformed the benchmark. Year to date, the strategy is up 3.55%. The 1-year performance is 33.62%. Looking at 10 years, the strategy has returned an outstanding 78.92%. Now for ETF Blend 301.20. The strategy posted a gain of 0.38% while the benchmark was negative. Year to date, the strategy is up 9.87%. Over 1 year, the return is 26.83%. The 10-year performance is truly exceptional at 97.93%. Finally, we have ETF Blend 302.25. This strategy had an excellent week with a gain of 1.48% against a down market. Year to date, the strategy is up 9.61%. The 1-year return is an impressive 53.22%. Over 10 years, the strategy has delivered an excellent 81.36%. What a phenomenal week for our strategies. All 8 strategies posted positive returns while the benchmark declined. This is exactly the kind of resilience our subscribers look for in our quality ETF strategies. If you found this update valuable, please share it with friends and family at Zehnlabs.com. Remember that we're focused on long-term wealth building and short-term market movements are a normal part of the journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week.